Hey guys, welcome to my second channel, Shine Unique Vlogs JA, and this is an update on my sweet potato farm. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and please leave a comment. I hope you will enjoy today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel, and you will not believe that this is my sweet potato farm. Only one, it's 1 month now. Yeah. Only a month since it was planted, and today he came to clean it out. I even have some callaloo here. You can see I cut callaloo here to make some breakfast Sunday morning. Need to cut out some more. Some of them gonna get hard if I don't cut it soon. Right? And this is some beans we have here. Brown beans. And he has reached some ways with it, getting it clean out, because of the consistent rain, there was a lot of weeds that was growing up inside my sweet potato. And look at these cocoa. All of the cocoa them spring off, catch off just fine. We have even callaloo growing here. One heap of cocoa. And I planted these pumpkins the other day. The more pumpkin here coming up. Lots of cocoa and pumpkin all over. Yes, so we have pumpkin down here as well. And he's actually burning off that side over there because he said he doesn't want it to harbor any rats. So the sweet potato, if there's a lot of bush in the area close to the sweet potato, then rats will harbor there and then they'll eat out the sweet potato. So he's really burning that side to get rid of the bush and the clutter. And he's going to clean over behind where the fire is, and we're going to plant some more pumpkins, some African okra, and all of that good stuff. But guys, this is what my sweet potato looks like right now. This is my sweet potato. All right, see one more pumpkin coming up here. Well, two actually. Two pumpkins. I remember when I planted them. And I don't know what happened to the melon over here, but there's a melon over that side where he is that's coming up. I planted a couple melon seeds up there, but I don't know what happened to them. So let's go over this side and see Mr. Scotty, who is actually one of the persons that I had interviewed before, Aisha's workman. Oh, no man, I'm good. So these are the melon seeds. These are the melon seeds. And yeah, let me catch. You even have pumpkin over there on the stone. In the rock. So we're going, Mr. Scotty.
Yeah, I'm going to do some work for you.
Yeah, work good man. Yeah.
And it kicks on.
Yeah.
You look on it,
yes.
So that's why I'm not telling you, so you have to understand it to go underneath here, so and those they're gonna pop off and
Right.
Because you can't rough it up.
Yeah, that's why anybody can't weed it out.
Them fragile and easy to break off.
Yes.
Like these, them just so. Easy to break.
Yeah.
They have a lot of milk.
Right. I like it, I like it. But you soon finish Scotty, man.
Yeah, come here, come back on chop and anything left for morning.
Okay.
Chop off, we clean out and start clean up yourself.
So we can get the okra start. You get the okra seed yet?
No.
Oh, you not see him?
Carrot it.
Okay. So we want to plant some okra and some more pumpkin over that side. It a frost down, Scotty.
Up Manchester.
Yeah.
Up Manchester,
Yeah.
Let's see if we can carve this area first.
Yeah.
Let's see.
But you look like me have to move one of the sucker then.
No, don't move because you're going to hurt it.
When we move it, it a go hurt?
Yeah, because they cluster.
Yeah.
You can't move it without water. Because you're going to hurt the next one.
Oh, okay.
Rain up here fall strong. So that you move it, as you move it, you drop it in a puddle hole.
Right.
A pot.
So, Scotty, what do you think of how the sweet potato look now compared to... Oh, God, it...
Yeah, because it look good here.
Not true.
My point of view, you can't sit again here.
Not true.
Yeah, the striving, the slip them, and the healthiness side.
Not true.
Yeah, and you don't, when you realize it, you don't see one whole if a dead slip
Yes.
to show yourself, well, then you go have to replant a majority.
Right.
Yeah. So any slip you go and plant, but like 4%.
Right. Why me can't take this some more?
Yes, that's a motor telling you. Don't come too close where it will affect you.
Yeah. Wow.
Can you bring look good, man? You're gonna nice.
Yes.
You don't have 100% potato down here whenever time you're ready.
Man.
But people, right at the door, with people being crowded
Yeah.
to get this potato because you know what now? Right here it's beer.
It's two different type of slip this?
Yeah, you have it mix up.
Uplifter, Mad Mary.
Yeah.
Right.
Mad Mary, a chemical white color one them like.
Yeah.
Inside red, but them skin show like yellow.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I get results here, Sean. The only thing I want you to do
Yeah.
whenever time to complete,
Yeah.
you get some medicine for the worm,
Right.
so that you don't have no worm encounter with none of your potato.
And I have the medicine, the thing that I tell you about.
Alright,
So I have to put it back again.
Alright, Monday week we go spray. The first thing as I come,
Yeah.
you mix up what's supposed to mix up
Mm-hmm.
and get rid of this out of the way.
And somebody sent me a brand new spray pan, so yeah.
So you need of it.
Yeah. So Scotty is at work, guys. You see how lovely this sweet potato is performing.
The sweet potato is roughly a month and
Uh-huh.
yeah.
And the slips are just springing all over the place.
All over the place, just to show you the virtue of the land, the door is, I would say now, take time around, them a run fast,
Yeah.
they do slow,
Yes.
to show you, so when you know say that all the sick now run good.
Yeah.
They're gone about their business.
Yes, man. and some people were saying that, you know, people plant it different. Like in Trelawney, they make something like a gutter. I don't know how that one work, and then they put it over it.
We don't use gutter, we use seed.
Yeah.
Definitely make in Manchester.
Yes.
You see, to Manchester bearing a sweet potato, they deal with agriculture
Yeah.
and they deal with a whole lot.
Right.
So to deal with that to agriculture, you have to deal with a whole lot, and that take a lot of time.
Right.
You can still deal with the agriculture, but you don't deal with like how you that deal with the hill.
Uh-huh.
They
Why is
deal.
Cathy? Me can't make my phone mash up in the
No,
rain.
go on, man. Cause you are in a company.
Yes. Alright guys, I have to leave because the rain is coming down sudden. Hey guys, I had to run out of the rain, but thank you so much for watching my vlog channel. Remember to like, subscribe and share. This was an update on my sweet potato farm. See you next time.